Hello and welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to look at how difficult changes across the IELTS Academic Reading Test. Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel if you are preparing for the IELTS Academic Test or even the ISLPR. This will help you receive more lessons on reading, writing, listening, speaking, and test preparation from my channel. In the IELTS Academic Reading Test, the level of difficulty usually increases from the first passage to the third. This means that passage 1 is often easier, passage 2 is usually more demanding, passage 3 is often the most difficult. Understanding this pattern is very important because it helps candidates manage their time and their energy more effectively during the test. The increase in difficulty does not always mean that the later passages are simply longer. In many cases, the challenge actually comes from the language, the ideas, and the level of reasoning required to answer the questions. Earlier passages may contain clearer information and more direct language. Later passages may include more complex arguments, denser vocabulary, less obvious answers, and ideas that require closer reading. For learners who have just completed their grade 12, this progression means that the test may begin at a level that feels very manageable to them. However, it becomes more demanding as concentration is tested more seriously in the passages that come later. For those preparing for university entrance, this pattern reflects the growing complexity of academic reading. In academic reading, some texts require much more deeper thinking and much more careful interpretation. And for those preparing for professional registration, this pattern shows the importance of reading accurately, even when texts become more technical, formal, or conceptually difficult. Because difficulty increases across the test, candidates should avoid spending too much time on the early passages. If you want to know how much time you should spend on each passage, check the video up here. Some learners make the mistake of working too slowly at the beginning because they want every answer to feel perfect. This can increase problems later. When the passages become harder and time becomes more limited, this may be a problem. A strong test taker aims to work steadily from the start. They also save much time and focus for the final passage. It is also important to understand that difficult passages do not mean simply impossible passages. The test is designed to measure performance across a range of reading skills. A candidate may not understand every word in the final passage. However, they can still answer many questions correctly by focusing on main ideas, structure, keywords, phrases, and careful reading of the relevant parts of the text. This is why candidates need both reading skills and test awareness. Knowing that the test becomes more difficult helps learners to mentally prepare. It encourages them to remain calm when the final passage feels more challenging. It also encourages them to use strategies that are important rather than panic. What are the key points to remember in this lesson? The test becomes harder from passage 1 to passage 3, and later difficult often comes from more complex ideas, vocabulary, and reasoning that is required. Candidates should manage time carefully and not spend too long on early passages. A harder passage does not require understanding every single word. Good strategies can help candidates to handle increasing difficulty with more confidence. If you liked this lesson and you thought it was a lesson that brought value to you, remember to subscribe and to like this video and leave a comment in the comment section to encourage me to make these videos for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.